Have you ever wondered how to combine data from two tables in SQL? That's exactly what joins are for. In this video, I'll explain the four main types of joins: inner, left, right, and full, using simple examples you can remember. Let's start with the inner join. Imagine you have two tables, employees and departments. An inner join will give you only the rows where there's a match in both tables. So, you'll see employees only if they belong to a department. If an employee doesn't have a department, or a department has no employees, they won't appear in the result. Next is the left join. This one keeps all the rows from the left table and adds matching rows from the right table if they exist. If there's no match, the right side just shows null. For example, if we take employees on the left and departments on the right, we'll get all employees, even those without a department. Now let's flip it. The right join. This works the same way, but in reverse. You get all the rows from the right table and matches from the left table if they exist. So if departments are on the right, you'll see all departments, even those with no employees. And finally, the full join. This one gives you everything. All rows from both tables, whether they match or not. If there's a match, they're combined. If not, you'll see null on one side. It's basically the complete picture. And just so you know, I'm using the DbSchema database design tool for these examples. That means the SQL statements are generated automatically for me. I don't have to write them by hand. In DbSchema's Query Builder, you can drag and drop tables, connect them visually, and the tool creates the join for you. From there, you can also filter, sort, or even apply aggregation functions, all without needing SQL knowledge. It's a great way to experiment and really understand how joins work. So to recap, inner join only matches. Left join, everything from the left table. Right join, everything from the right table. Full join, everything from both. If you want to see these joins visually, you can try them in DbSchema's Query Builder. It's a great way to learn. Thanks for watching, and I hope joins make more sense now.